Hey guys, welcome to Northwest Cryptos. I'm just giving you a quick update here on the charts. So right now we are getting very close to the end of this symmetrical triangle. We're actually touching the top of it right now and possibly dealing with a little bit of some resistance. Hopefully we can come back up. Looks like we got a little green dildo coming up here, so hopefully we can break above this. What we want to do realistically, if we break above this, is it would be nice to get to this next level, yeah, but what we really want to do is get to this level up here. I think that is the more important level. We definitely want to be above 42,200 with Bitcoin, here pretty shortly, or else we're going to start considering a bear market here. I think it's important that we do keep in mind it is very realistic and possible that we could be entering a bear market. We didn't see the typical blow off top like we normally would, but I don't think we necessarily need to see a blow off top in order to enter the bear market, right? So we'll kind of see. We're obviously, a lot of people were watching this and doing the best they can with their analysis. The problem with these symmetrical triangles that we've been in the symmetrical triangle for 2 weeks now. The problem with these symmetrical triangles is that they don't really give us any clear indication on whether the market's moving up or down. Okay, so it's as simple as that. We need to watch this and see which direction we do go and move from there. Act from there. So if we do break to the downside of this triangle, this is what I'm looking for. So I would be looking to potentially put in a short position right here, because I do think we'll be hitting $28,000, this support level. I do think we'll be testing that again if we break down this triangle, break down from this triangle. So this is going to be the area when we break below, we come back up, we test the bottom of this triangle as resistance. Now this will now be our resistance. If we test it as resistance and we can't get back above it, then most definitely people are going to be going short right here. Same thing up here. If we break above this triangle, come back down and like this and test this triangle, somewhere right here, up against this triangle line, we come back down and test it as support, people will be going long right here. I believe a lot of people will be going long, and I personally might as well. So it really just depends. That's Bitcoin. The rest of the market started to break out of these triangles last night, actually. So a lot of the altcoins started to break out of their symmetrical triangles. We have coins like ADA, looking pretty good. I do have a price target of, if we can break above the $1.80 range here, I do have a price target for ADA of $2. I think that's very realistic if we can break above the $1.80 marker, right? And what that typically looks like, kind of like Bitcoin when we break out of a triangle, right? So if I was to be going long, I would put a position in, not right when we break above this yellow line, but when we come back down and test this yellow line now as support, that's where I would go ahead and put a long position in. Okay, so it is looking pretty good. We moved up to this next level here, but we really want to move up to this level. That will catapult us probably to $2. So we all know that all it takes is Bitcoin to go down 2% for these altcoins to move down 6%. So keep that in mind. Be careful. Watch Bitcoin right now, because even though a lot of these altcoins did break out of the symmetrical triangle, Bitcoin has not yet. We are close to potentially breaking out of it, but we have not yet. And we want to monitor this, because if Bitcoin breaks to the bottom of this triangle, you can almost guarantee that most of these altcoins are going to be dropping pretty significantly. I see either a big breakthrough to the upside or a breakthrough to the downside coming. So we just need to keep monitoring the market, and I'll give you guys some more updates when we get some more news.